I just finished my morning yoga routine slash workout, rehydrated on some water, and now I'm going to enjoy these grapes. Figs are definitely among my top 10 favorite fruits, and I'm really excited to be able to mono meal on them right now because it's season and they are really cheap. And yeah, you can get up to 5 figs for €1 right now at the supermarket, so definitely check it out. And yeah, I also have some more in the bag, so I'm probably just gonna see how I feel and how many I want. And I want to share really quickly with you how to determine if your figs are ripe. So you want to make sure your figs are very, soft, they have some give, and that they are also quite fairly heavy. And I also want to show you how I eat them because, most people eat figs with their skin, but I personally really like to peel my figs because they taste so much better, they digest better, and sometimes I find that I have a weird thing on my tongue when I eat figs with their peel. I don't know, it might be something that farmers spray on the trees, or it might just be, the figs. So yeah, here we have the fig peeled. It really is so quickly and it's really worth it. My uncle invited me yesterday to go to the trampoline park with my cousins and him. And obviously I did not say no to that opportunity because I always love moving my body and spending time with my family. So that means we are going to prepare some food because it's probably going to be the entire afternoon that I'm going to be there. So I have 9 ripe bananas. I have some blues, some frozen blueberries, and I have some water. I'm going to blend all that up in here with my stick blender. And then I'm going to put it in that bottle with this thingy. You probably already know this if you have watched my previous videos. So yeah, let's get started. Finished smoothie. I'm going to put that in the freezer real quick and then I'm going to be right back. I am also going to bring some cherry tomatoes to the trampoline park. I just got back from the trampoline park. We have been jumping around and climbing around for 1.5 hours, so it was quite a workout. So now I'm gonna have some figs and some grapes. And then after I'm done with the fruit, I'm going to prepare a salad with cucumber, tomato, corn, and some Batavia lettuce. I don't know what the variety is in English, that's how it's called in German. And some arugula. I don't know how much of the lettuce I'm gonna use, but we'll see. And then for the sauce, as always, I will peel the zucchini, blend it up with some dates that I soaked in some lime juice. I think it was 2 fresh limes. And then I'm gonna add some dill. So yeah, that's gonna be my salad. But before, let's have some fruit. The salad is ready to eat. And we have the dressing with 1 zucchini, I think about 5 or 4 dates and the juice of 2 limes. And here's everything that's left over from what I showed you in the beginning. And now it's time to enjoy. Let's have a look at the daily totals. I spent 17 euros on food that day, which is a bit more than I usually spend, but still pretty cheap in my opinion. I also entered everything I ate into chronometer.com, which is not 100% precise since all these numbers vary from fruit to fruit, but it's good enough to give a rough estimation. So I had approximately 2,800 calories that day, which is probably due to me being so active. And let's also look at the macronutrient ratio. I had 88% coming from carbs, 7% coming from protein, and 5% coming from fat that day. And water, I had 4 liters coming from the fruits and veggies I ate, and I drank about 2 liters of spring water. Now, if you want to learn more about this lifestyle, I highly recommend you check out the book The 80-10-10 Diet by Dr. Douglas Graham. However, I do want to mention something quickly for everyone watching who has not yet read the book and is concerned about the protein being so low. A discovery that really calmed me down in the beginning of my raw vegan journey is that human breast milk contains only 1.1 grams of protein per 100 grams, which equals about 6.1% of total calories coming from protein, since 1 gram of protein equals 4 calories. So the fact that something that is designed by nature for humans in the periods of their lives when they grow the most only contains 6.1% of protein made me realize that there's really no need to worry about it whatsoever. By now, however, I've come to a point where all these numbers don't matter to me anymore. I focus on intuition and common sense, and the water in my mouth does not start running when I see some chicken or fish, and when I'm hungry, the thought doesn't cross my mind to go out and hunt some pigs or go suck on some cow's tits. But when I see some mangoes or some raspberries, my mouth sure is watering. And don't even get me started on papaya or watermelon, or even better, some ripe and juicy persimmons. I love all these fruits so much, and I feel absolutely fantastic when I eat fruit, and that's why I'm in no doubt that my body is designed to eat fruit abundantly. And that's why I don't care about all these numbers anymore. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to use the buttons down below to like, subscribe, or leave a comment. I always reply to your comments, and I wish you all a wonderful rest of your day, and maybe see you in my next video. Bye!